Dear students, this video will surely help you to understand meaning and measure of central tendency. First of all, we will do what is meaning of central tendency. According to Clark, an average is a figure that represents the whole group. According to Simpson, a measure of central tendency is a typical value around which other values figure congregate, means gather into crowd. So this is a value which represents the whole series. There are many types of central tendency. These are main of two types, positional and mathematical. Again, positional are of three types, mean, median, mode, and mathematical are geometric mean, harmonic mean. There are many type of series that we have to use in calculation of central tendency. First series is individual series, when only values or variables are given and we have to calculate mean, median and mode. Second is discrete series, when frequency is also given and we will calculate mean, median and mode with the help of variables and frequencies. Third is continuous series, when class interval is given and frequency is given. It is of mainly two types, exclusive and inclusive. Commonly, exclusive series is given while calculating mean, median and mode. Exclusive series when values of upper limit is not included in that class interval. For example, continuous series is 10 to 20, 20 to 30. In this, value of 20 is not included in 10 to 20 class, but 20 is included in next interval 20 to 30. Inclusive series when value of upper limit is included in same class. For example, in class interval 10 to 21, in this upper limit 21 is included. Next class interval will be 20 to 31. Values from 22 to 31 are included in 20 to 31 series. Next is open-end series in continuous series, when lower limit of first class interval and upper limit of last class interval is not given. Example, less than 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, more than 30. Here difference between two class interval is 10. So first series will be 0 to 10 and last will be 30 to 40. Next is cumulative series, when cumulative frequency is given. Example, less than or not above 10, less than or not above 20, less than or not above 30. Here is cumulative frequency 3, 12, 28, means in 12 3 is added. In 28, 3 and 12 is added. Then we will calculate frequency from this. First series is 0 to 10, 3, 10 to 20, 12 minus 3, 9 frequency, 20 to 30, 28 minus 12 is 16 frequency. Means in 28, upper two frequencies are added. In 12, upper frequency is added. So we have to subtract the previous frequency from second frequency, like from 12 minus 3, from 28 minus 12, or more than not below 0, more than not below 10, more than not below 20. Here is CF starts from upper limit 28, 3, 28, 12, 3. Class interval 0 to 10, 28 minus 12, 16, 10 to 20, 12 minus 3, 9 and last is 3. When middle points are given, midpoint 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and frequency. To find class interval, formula is difference between each midpoint is 20 to 30 is 10. Half of difference is 5. Deduct and add 5 to each midpoint. We will get class interval. Like 20 minus 5, 15, and 20 plus 5, 25. This is our first class interval. Then so on with a difference of 10, 25, 35, 35, 45, and so on. Midpoint 15 plus 25 divided by 2 is 20, and so on. So here are main types of series which we will do in central tendency. Next, we will do various methods of measure of central tendency. There are three types of series as we do: individual, discrete, and continuous. And three types of methods we will use to calculate mean from these three series. First is direct method, shortcut method, step deviation method. First is direct method. Mean is equal to summation of x divided by n. N is number of variables. When discrete series is given, means frequency is given, then we will calculate mean by summation of fx, means multiply f with x given variable divided by total of frequency. In continuous series, when class interval are given, first of all we will take midpoints from class interval, then apply formula summation of fm divided by total of f. Here fm means multiply frequency with the midpoint of same class interval. When we use shortcut method, we will assume one value denoted by a and take deviation by subtracting a from x, and formula is mean is equal to a plus a means assumed mean plus summation of d deviation divided by n number of items. For discrete series, same formula, but here we will multiply deviation with frequency and divide by sum of frequency. A plus summation of fd divided by summation of f. In continuous series, shortcut method, a assumed mean plus summation of fd divided by summation of f. Here class interval are given, so we will take mid value and then assume one point or one digit from midpoint, then take deviation and apply formula. In third step deviation method, mean is equal to a plus d dash summation divided by n into c. C is common factor and d dash is equal to x minus a divided by c, or deviation taken divided by common factor. For discrete series, mean is equal to a assumed mean plus f dash d summation divided by total of frequency into c common factor. Then continuous series, assumed mean plus summation fd dash divided by f into c common factor. Here d is taken from midpoint. Assume one value from midpoint, then take deviation by subtracting a from m, and d dash is d divided by c common factor taken from midpoint. So here are some formula to calculate mean from given series. Then we will do one example to clear all these formulas. Now we will do first example of individual series in direct method. As you know its formula, summation of x divided by n. Here is values: marks obtained by 10 students, 15, 20, 30, 25, 45, 50, 65, 35, 80, 70. Give serial numbers 1 to 10 and marks, then take total of marks, then apply formula. Mean is equal to summation x divided by n. N is number of marks, 10, total is 435, so mean is 43.5 with direct method. Please note one point. Mean calculated by all three methods gives same answer. Then next example with shortcut method. Here we will assume one value from given variables. Our statement is roll numbers given, marks given. Roll number, we do not need roll number, it is just serial number given to our variables. Marks given, we will assume one value from variables, say 25. You can assume any one value, like you can assume 5, 55, 45, answer will be same. Here we assume 25, then take deviation from mean. 5 minus 25, deviation is x minus assumed mean, and also denote the minus plus sign according to subtraction. 5 minus 25 minus 20, 10 minus 25, 15, 20 minus 25, 5, 25 minus 25, 0, then 45 minus 25, 20, and so on, and take total of all assumed value. For taking sum of assumed mean or deviation, we will add minus sign separately and plus sign separately. Total of minus figure is minus 40, total of plus figure is 110, and our total is 100 minus 40 is equal to 70. Then calculate arithmetic mean. A plus summation dx or d divided by n number of items. A assumed mean, we have assumed 25. Calculate and we get 32 as mean. The next method is step deviation. First we did with direct method, then shortcut, now step deviation method. For this we will take another example. Marks given 15, 20, 30, 35, and we will assume 45 from marks and take deviation x minus a. 15 minus 45 minus 30, 20 minus 45 minus 25, and so on. After that we will take one common factor from d. We can inspect that all figures are can be divided by 5. So we will take 5 as common factor and divide each value with 5. Minus 30 divided by 5, minus 6, minus 25 divided by 5, minus 5, minus 15 divided by 5, minus 3, and so on. Again take sum of this d dash by adding minus figure and plus figure separately. We will get minus 3. By adding minus value we get minus 20. By adding plus value we get 17. Then minus 20 plus 70 is equal to minus 3. Then apply formula assumed mean plus summation of d dash over n into c. C is common factor, that is 5. Assumed mean is 45, and calculate, we will get 43.5 as mean. So this is all about calculation of mean in calculation of mean in individual series by three methods: direct method, shortcut method, and step deviation method. Now do the sum with three methods and send answer in description. In next video we will do calculation of mean in discrete series and continuous series. Thank you.